Hey Nigeria, it's Agnes Wade and I am thrilled to announce that I'll be coming to Nigeria for an exclusive Runway Masterclass. As a model, I know how challenging it can be to break into the industry. That's why I'm here to share my experience and help you take your modeling career to the next level. I will guide you beyond the class, helping you craft your global recognition. And in this masterclass, we'll cover everything from catwalk technique and posing expression and confidence building. You'll learn how to work with designers, photographers, and clients, and most importantly, how to rebrand yourself and step into your true potential. No matter your size, your color, or your story, this is your time to shine. Whether you're a seasoned model or just starting out, this masterclass is designed to help you own the runway and stand out in the competitive world of fashion. So are you ready to chase your dreams and take your modeling career to new heights? Register now for the Runway Masterclass and get ready to learn from me. I can't wait to see you all. Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Register now and let's get ready to own the runway together. See you all soon, Nigeria. And remember, never stop chasing your dreams.